One of the hardest things for me is trying to stay motivated as a freelancer. Here are the 3 things that help me stay motivated. 1 is having good clients that is fun to work with and they pay you for what you're worth. I remember all the time I feel like quitting or like I'm burning out when I was underpaid and I was working with difficult clients. And it's crazy too, like for the whole year, right? For like a couple months, I would have good months. All the clients I'm working with is cool. I enjoy working with them. I'm getting paid what I'm worth. Then for some reason comes that one client that is difficult to work with. And the crazy thing is most of the time I give them discount, right? I'll probably talk about this in another video about how, cheap clients is, hard to work with. So that one client would just have me rethink. It's like, why am I doing this? Should I still be doing this? But the crazy thing is 99% of the time is cool, but that 1%, that one client could mess it up for you. Working with difficult clients and getting underpaid definitely will kill your motivation. On a side note, the more you charge, the better the client will be. And the second thing that killed my motivation for working is not having the right workspace. Best workspace to have is your own room, like I have right now. I can just close the door, nobody come bother me. Before I used to have my workspace had it in the garage. Even though nobody come bother me in the garage, it gets hot in the summer and gets cold in the winter. I had it in the living room. I try to do the nomad, have a laptop, traveling and stuff. I hated that. I hated working in Starbucks. I hate working out of hotels. That's what I want to do, just travel with a laptop and, do the freelancing. Oh yeah, I tried working on the beach. That was dumb. I think it's dumb trying to work on the beach because the sun is out, super bright. I can't see nothing on the screen. Sand is getting in the laptops. So yeah, find a workspace that works for you. Like for me, have a room, close the door, nobody come bother me. I have AC when it's hot, I have the heater when it's cold. So yeah, having the wrong workspace, it could kill your motivation. It killed my motivation a lot of time. And number 3, it's kind of like number 2, is being in the wrong city. Probably gonna sound crazy, but I do think you as a person, there's a city for you. You'll know it once you go to that city. Once you know where you're supposed to live, then you know you're supposed to live there. Because me, I grew up in Sacramento. Sacramento was home for a long time. My comfort zone, had all my friends there, but I couldn't get no work done because every weekend, every day, somebody has a party, has a barbecue. They would hit me up. I would go. I would drink. I would probably get drunk, get a hangover, and then that's 2 days without working. So I take a day to go hang out. Next day, recovering because I got a hangover. Since I'm older now, I'm probably gonna take 2-3 days to recover. Staying in my hometown, it was comfortable, it's cool, but I couldn't get no work done. So when I moved out of Sacramento the first time, I moved to San Francisco. That was cool. I like the weather, but I hate there's no parking. I hate the small roads. I hate driving in downtown. Oh yeah, I hate the parking tickets. I got so many parking tickets. Like I said, the weather was nice. I like the beach. I didn't care too much about nightlife. I don't like going clubs. I hate going clubs. San Francisco was cool, but I was still like an hour and a half away from Sacramento. So basically I'm an hour and a half away from my comfort zone. And then right now, I'm living in Houston, which is not an hour and a half drive to Sacramento. Houston's cool, but I still think it's not for me because the one city I do like is Las Vegas. I don't know what it is, but I think that's the city for me. But the crazy thing is I don't drink, I don't gamble, I don't go to clubs. I like going to the buffet. But the reason why I like Vegas so much is I like the desert landscape. If I want to go to snow, it's only 45 minutes away, but it has to be in the winter time. If I want to go to LA for the beach, it's only 4-hour drive. Because what I think is when you're happy, you're in a positive mood, positive mindset, then you're able to create more. You're able to get more done. When you're in a negative mindset, when you just don't like your day-to-day, it's hard to get anything done. That's the way I see it. I like living in Vegas. Those are the 3 things that probably killed my motivation throughout my freelancing career, or whatever you want to call it. Having clients that you enjoy working with, getting paid for what you're worth, that will make you motivated. Having the right workspace, having your own space, and living in the right city. Because even if I get the first 2 right, if I have the best clients, getting paid what I'm worth, and I have a dope workspace, right, my own room and everything, but my house is in the middle of the woods, I'm not gonna be happy.